Hi, I'm Abdurazak. I'm a software engineer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate the Windows Sandbox Feature and how to get its benefits, its requirements, and much more. If you like this video, please hit like button at the bottom and subscribe to be notified for the next videos. Don't forget to leave your comments, suggestions, and your support. Let's talk about Windows Sandbox Feature. The Windows Sandbox Feature provides a lightweight desktop environment to safely run applications in isolation. Software installed inside the Windows Sandbox environment remains sandboxed, which means runs separately from the host machine. A sandbox is temporary. When it's closed, all the software and files and the state are deleted. You get a brand new instance of the sandbox every time you open the application. Software and application installed on the host aren't directly available in the sandbox. If you need specific applications available inside Windows Sandbox environment, they must be explicitly installed within the environment. Windows Sandbox has some properties: pristine, disposable, secure, and efficient. Sure, it is part of Windows, so everything required for this feature is included in Windows 10 Professional and Enterprise Edition. There is no need to download a virtual hard disk. Uh, Pristine, so every time Windows Sandbox runs, it's as clean as brand new installation of Windows. Let's talk about disposable. It means persists. Nothing persists on the device. Everything is discarded when the user closes the application. Secure, so it uses hardware-based virtualization. For kernel isolation, it relies on the Microsoft hypervisor to run a separate kernel that isolates Windows Sandbox from the host. So it's kind of isolation between the host machine and the sandbox instance. Efficient, so it uses the integrated kernel scheduler and smart memory management and virtual GPU. So let's activate it on my machine. So from the start menu, type turn Windows Feature on or off. From the Windows Feature, scroll down, try to find the Hyper-V 3 item, check the item to activate the hyper virtualization. This should require a system reboot. Uh, I'm going to restart my machine and continue after that. Welcome back. The next step is to activate the sandbox feature itself from the same window. So from start menu, type again, turn on Windows features on or off. Scroll down till you find the sandbox feature T item, Windows Sandbox here. Check OK. It requires a system reboot too. Welcome back, and welcome to Windows Sandbox into my machine. I use the Sandbox as a simple environment to test interested apps or websites, and to test distributable packages, because I need a clean environment to test it. You know, the developer machine contains all kinds of prerequisites. Please use Sandbox as a simple feature to minimize, oh, it works on my machine. So let's discover the sandbox. Just type sandbox. Everything work as a charm. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.